In the cart, Toots.
Okay.
Mrs. McCarthy, here for sir. Mrs. McKibben. Private McMahon, here for sir.
And this is the news. They left their families and friends to help our fighting forces in the Persian Gulf, and today they were welcomed home. 134 soldiers from the 323rd Military Police Company walked off the plane at the Air National Guard base after serving 6 months in Germany. They say they were happy to support their fellow soldiers in the Middle East, but they said they're much happier to be home.
It's wonderful. It's great. I'm happy to be back. I'm happy to be back in Toledo. It's great to be back.
This is the first time these men and women have been on American soil since they were activated in December.
Military police unit from Germany. The reservists have been gone since early December and were sorely missed by their loved ones.
I was like, oh, this isn't so bad. I'm going to be really cool. And then I saw my dad, and he had Emily on his shoulders, and I just fell apart at the seams.
The members of the 323rd were stationed in Frankfurt, Germany, filling the posts of other MPs who were assigned to Saudi Arabia.
Three C-130 transport planes carrying 134 members of the MP company flew over family and friends waiting below. Hundreds watched the guard unit march down the tarmac. Some couldn't hold back any longer. The reserve unit replaced an MP company deployed to the Gulf in December.
I'm just happy to be back. Just happy to be back. And it's good to be home. This is a great reception. We are really happy, you know, that everybody came out to see us because it means a lot. It means a lot.
After all the greetings, the MP company was treated to a special military homecoming ceremony.